Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that has the power to change everything in your life, your mindset. I know it might sound a bit cringe, but trust me, this is the key to unlocking your true potential. So stick with me for the next few minutes and let's dive deep into how mindset shapes your destiny. Your mindset is like the lens through which you see the world. It affects how you perceive challenges, opportunities, success, and failure. The truth is, two people can experience the same situations, but the one with a growth mindset will turn it into a lesson, while the one with a fixed mindset will see it as the limitations. So, how does mindset shapes your destiny? Let me ask you this. If you believe that everything is working against you, nothing ever goes your way, how do you think that's going to affect your actions and your result? On the other hand, if you have a mindset that believes in possibilities, that sees challenges as opportunities to grow and learn, then you will approach life with courage, perseverance, and determinations. And that makes all the difference. There are two kinds of mindset, growth and fixed. People with a fixed mindset believe that their abilities and intelligence are static. They avoid challenges, give up easily, and see effort as a fruitless. They think I am just not good at this, so why bother? But people with a growth mindset understand that their intelligence and ability can be developed. They embrace challenges, see effort as a pathway to mastery, and never stop learning. They know that setbacks are part of the journey. They don't define them, they refine them. When you have a growth mindset, you stop seeing failure as a reflection of your worth and start seeing it as an opportunity to grow. The belief is what your futures. Your mindset doesn't just affect how you think, it also influences what you do. If you believe you are capable of success, you take bold actions. If you believe you are going to fail, you hold back or avoid taking any actions. Let me be very clear. Your actions, driven by your mindset, create your reality. Every step you take, every decision you make is based on how you see yourself and the world around you. When you act with confidence, persistence, and a belief in your potentials, you begin to carve out a path that leads to success. On the flip side, when you act from a place of doubt, fear, and limitations, you close doors before even trying to open them. Let's talk about belief. What you believe about yourself is incredibly powerful. If you believe that you are capable, your action will reflect that belief. If you believe you are not enough, you will find ways to sabotage your own success even without realizing it. Belief is the foundation of everything you do. Think about it. If you don't believe you deserve to be successful, you will constantly question every opportunity, second guess your decision, and allow fear to drive your choices. On the other hand, when you truly believe in your abilities, it gives you the courage to pursue your dreams, even when the road is unclear or difficult. Belief shapes your mindset, and mindset shapes your destiny. Mindset also determines your level of resilience. Life is full of challenges, and your ability to bounce back when things go wrong is what sets you apart from those who give up. When your mindset is rooted in the belief that challenges are opportunity for growth, you develop a level of resilience that makes you unstoppable. No matter how many times you fall, you know you have the strength to rise again. You don't let setbacks define you, you let them refine you. And that's how your mindset shapes your destiny. It gives you the tools to face adversity, keep pushing forward, and never quit on your dreams. So, here is the big takeaway. Your mindset is most powerful tool. It shapes how you respond to life, how you handle obstacles, and most importantly, how you view your potentials. Shift your mindset from one of limitations to one of possibility. Start believing in your own potentials, take bold actions, and watch how your life begins to transform. Remember, your destiny isn't written in the stars, it's written in your mind. So choose your mindset wisely because it will shape everything that comes next. Thank you so much for watching. If this message resonates with you, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And remember, the only thing is standing between you and your dream is the mindset you choose to adopt. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep believing in yourself. Your destiny is waiting. Thank you so much.